9 Million's collection of high-quality evergreen articles with resale rights. Top online niches. You are about to get instant access to a massive collection of niche demand articles with unrestricted use rights. You can edit, modify, reuse, alter for your own content. These are evergreen content on topics that go viral. And if you are thinking of hiring a writer or a freelancer, or using expensive content services, just forget about it. Get what you really want. PLR Review, top quality evergreen PLR with ready-made materials. PLR Massive Bundle is a collection of high-quality evergreen ebook products with 100% unrestricted private label rights to resell and profit from effortlessly. Your customers will be able to edit, sell, bundle, repackage, flip, give away, educate their audience, add to memberships, offer as bonuses, use to build a list, gain recognition as an expert, plus so much more. Your customers will be getting a lot of HQ ebook products in evergreen niches worth over $6,499 for just mere pennies on the dollar. Make the training more presentable, and much easier to sell. Regardless of how you plan touse articles, you will have content you can be proud to call your own. Each article is at least 300 words in length. Their high-quality PLR packages truly saves you time, money and solve the product creation headache. Use articles to create scripts for email videos. Reword them for website content. Private label rights included. High-quality guides are always in great demand that individuals who buy personal development products seek. Of course, the information on search engines is sporadic and not 100% accurate. Once you have a license for this high-quality guide, you will have the opportunity to give this vast market what they want and be rewarded. It allows you to tap into one of the most profitable and most in-demand markets right now. It is a low-cost investment compared to what you will get after buying this product. With millions of niche demand article pack with unrestricted rights. Download millions of high-quality evergreen articles to use, resell, bundle, repackage, create autos, and more for profits. Full unrestricted resale rights. Save thousands of hours and thousands of dollars with our incredible pack of 9 million niche articles with full private label rights. But for a limited time you can secure your access to millions of high-quality niche-based articles with unrestricted use rights at a steal-away price. Plus, you also get special bonuses. TinyBook's profit method. Inside this bonus, you get all the secrets about breaking a book into tiny chapters, selling each chapter as an entire book. All you have to do is give readers a little piece for a tiny price. Get them completely hooked and then sell them Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4. It's a powerful method to mirror book chapters to profit. Turn words into cash. Here, you get a simple step-by-step system anyone can use to turn words into cash. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.